Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Numan here, and today we will discuss how can we restart our scene using a button. Okay, so here we have a button. We recently did that tutorial where we see how can we add a button basically. So let's remove the on click method. Okay, now we have a simple play button. We want that if we click on that button, then this scene will reload or a new scene load. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, we need to make a script. For example, let's create an empty game object and name it reload scene, let's say. Okay, and let's add a reload scene script, and let's make it open. Yeah, okay, it's open now. Let's make a method reload game. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to add a scene manager dot load scene. Let's say we want our scene number 1 to upload, right? Let's copy that function and let's name it 1. Okay, yeah, it will work like that. Okay, so these are our two functions. So for let's see, let's go on the build setting and see we have only one scene in the build. Okay, so double click on it and we can see that we have this scene here. Let's make a new scene. Let's say this testing scene. We go to the build setting and drag and drop the testing scene here. Okay, so let's go to the play button first. Click on the plus icon to add on click method and drag and drop our reload scene here and check the functions. Basically here we can see the reload scene script that attach on that object. Okay, so we need to select our method. Let's say reload game 1. It will load the next level. It will be the testing on the load scene, I think. Yeah, okay, let's play and let's click here. Yeah, here testing is load, and if we want to load our current scene, we can use our current scene. We can use the current scene index as well, but it will the method will be the same. So we use the button, or here we click and it just reload our gameplay scene. Okay, so every time when we restart, we have this debug appear. So this is how we can reload. So this is for this topic. Okay, I will see you in the next video.